What's the difference between gamification and game-based education? Let's take a look. Game-based education, like the teacher's dungeon, immerses the child in the math. Kids solve problems, they put pencil to paper, which is crucial, and they learn the math skills. Gamification, like Madden Football, is great because it's a lot of fun, but it does not teach kids how to play football. You could play Madden Football all day and you'll never get any better at catching, passing, or tackling. The Teacher's Dungeon combines interactive gameplay where kids actually put pencil to paper and learn the math with our video tutorials that teach time-proven strategies for understanding the math and our stats page, which clearly shows progress through the standards and motivates students to learn. If your child plays a Teacher's Dungeon, they will get better at math. So, choose game-based education. You can start your free trial at www.teachersdungeon.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you soon.